The Ford Mustang is a true icon, perfect for creating new memories on new curves and carrying old flames to new destinations. This gently used Mustang only has 5,458 kilometers on it. Powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged engine with rear-wheel drive and automatic transmission, it offers a truly thrilling performance. Inside, the black interior has comfort and convenience. With heated and cooled front seats, Bluetooth integration, cruise control, Wi-Fi, and steering wheel controls. The exterior stands out. Mustang body with convertible design, and that top will come down with only the touch of a button. Sharp-looking aluminum wheels and automatic headlights. Whether cruising the city or hitting the open road, this Mustang offers the perfect balance of power, technology, and unmistakable style. It carries basic warranty until April 24th, 2028 or 60,000 kilometers, and still has that 5-year powertrain until April 24th, 2030 or 100,000 kilometers. Come experience your pure driving freedom at Lacombe Ford today.